Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to hold down power key to turn off your device, but if you get this menu, you go to settings and just disable this Google Assistant here, select enable the power and emergency menu. So now we hold down power key, hold down our finger on power off, then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode, you just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.